All right, greetings everyone. This is Eric, founder and CEO of Cubicle Investing. Definitely check out the website at cubicleinvesting.com. So today I want to talk about trades that I have on the company Meta, ticker symbol META. So here is a daily price action chart on Meta. And back in October, late October of this year, Meta, before they reported their earnings, one share of Meta stock price was trading for $751. After they reported earnings back in late October of this year, the stock dropped over 20%. Now, I'm just talking about Meta, one of the Magnificent Seven, dropped over 20%. Now, this company has a market cap of I believe, $69 trillion, right, in market cap. And yet, during that earnings call, they mentioned that year over year, they have grown by 26%, or roughly $51 billion year over year growth they have experienced, right? Their ad revenue is up significantly. The company is just hitting on all cylinders. Now, the narrative that the company reported was $1.05 per share, right, during the earnings call, when Wall Street was expecting $6.70 per share. But that was a massive miss, of course. But what was not mentioned, or what was not taken into consideration, was a one-time tax charge of about $16 billion, which, had it not been for that one-time tax bill, they would have exceeded Wall Street's expectation of $6.70 per share significantly, right? So it would have been roughly $7.25 per share from what I've read. And so they would have actually beat Wall Street's expectations for the earnings, but because of that one-time tax bill, it came well under the expectation. And so, and then on top of that, it was mentioned during the earnings call that the amount of money that's going to be spent the rest of this year and also next year on AI and AI infrastructure was north of $70 billion. So pretty significant. And so I'm thinking that all of what I just stated actually spooked investors, and so the stock price dropped from 751 down to as low as $581, man. So over 20%. And I immediately saw that as an opportunity to get in and start making some money, right? So as we can see here, the stock is already beginning to bounce and recover, and we have a large gap. We have a large gap. Let me pull up my pointer here. We have a large gap that will get filled at some point. So here's the gap here, right? That will get filled at some point. And so what I've been doing is I got a few trades on right now. So I'm in a put credit spread. I sold a put credit spread for January 16th expiration date, which is 41 days from today. And my short strike is at 605. My long strike is at 570. And then I also went out and sold a cash secured put for March 20th expiration, and that's 104 days from today. So as you can see, I'm already up $1,669, or roughly 66% of the $2,548 credit that I received for putting these trades on Meta. And I'm also, in my other account, I have quite a few long-dated call options. They call them LEAPs, long-term equity anticipation securities. I bought call options on Meta deep in the money. I don't buy the out of the money call option. I buy deep in the money. And I'm already up pretty significantly on those call options as well. So this overreaction to Meta's earnings, again, in spite of the fact that this company is a one over $1.6 trillion market cap company, and it's still increasing. Its revenue is still increasing year over year by 26%. Is phenomenal. You know, so there's no reason why the stock should have pulled back over 20%. But hey, that's a great opportunity for us as retail investors, retail traders, to actually go in and take advantage of this opportunity to make some money. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you guys, and again, it's not too late. As you can see here, the stock is just about getting back to the end portion of this gap here, right? So the gap starts here, ends here, and so Meta's price action has almost reached the beginning of that gap, and so I expect next year that that Meta will probably be trading in the high in the low to mid 800s per share. So definitely not too late to get involved and making some money on Meta. And again, you know, you can sell cash secured puts, you can buy long dated call options, or you can sell put credit spreads. Those are all bullish strategies.